Hi sir, how are you?
Hi,
Yeah, I'm
Danny.
Chirag from Fire India.
Hello.
Okay, I want to ask you some basic question regarding the exhibition and your feedback about the
Okay.
show and how was the footfall.
Right.
So can we start? Can you give a brief about yourself and your company first?
So our company actually founded in Dubai,
Yes.
and our factory is based in Chennai,
Yes.
and we are coming up with the big investments in India because the strategy in India is increasing day by day on that, and giving such platforms are giving a lot of motivation, and the people in the industry are getting awareness of what is fire requirements are.
Yes.
So recently we have taken a plant in Telangana. So we are companies investing over 700 crore investments in that, especially in firefighting equipment manufacturing.
Good. Good. And any specific products that you're featuring in the stand today, like for this year event?
As you can see that the requirement of foreign investments are increasing day by day.
Yes.
So certified products like ULFM are increasing in the country.
Yes.
So we are showcasing the ULFM fire pump sets and clean agent suppression systems, especially IG system, Novak systems. So that's the main product which we are focusing this year on that.
Great. Okay, so besides that, like, coming on the exhibition, today is the third day. So
Yeah.
what do you feel? How was the footfall visitor this year?
See, frankly speaking, this year exhibitions really we enjoyed it,
Okay.
and comparing to last year, this year was a very amazing show,
Good to
and
hear that.
footfall was very good, and we are planning to come on the bigger stage in next year also. Yeah.
And we're also hoping to expand our horizon for the next year too.
Yeah, sure, because we enjoyed this time, and we would like to continue the same, and we wish you that you also do the same kind of things in future,
Thank
and
you
this
so
will
much.
give a lot of awareness to the people in the
Yeah,
industry also.
definitely, definitely. And besides that, setting up your stand, sales team, and everything, how was your overall feedback with Fire India?
Really, it was everything well, perfectly arranged and very well coordinated, and we don't face any hassle this year. Everything was very good, very well
Good to know.
established, well planned.
Okay. And next year we are planning in Delhi Yeshobhumi. Have you thought? Have you given any
Yes,
thought to
already we reserved the stand already, and we reserved one of the best place and the prominent place. Already we have discussed with the sales team, and already we booked already.
Oh,
Yeah.
great, great, great. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you in Delhi next year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Oh,
much. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.